Westinghouse offers a full range of microwave ovens, so you can choose the one that's right for you. Each microwave is equipped with an easy-to-read LED display, multiple cooking power levels, convenient quick cook settings, and a child safety lock feature. Whether you're looking for small, simple, or elegant, with Westinghouse, you are sure to find the perfect microwave to suit your needs.
Hi, I'm Laura, and this is the new microwave oven with Inverter by Toshiba. A beautiful black stainless steel oven that accommodates a variety of dishes. You can defrost, cook, and reheat better and faster than your traditional microwave oven. It's built with Inverter Technology, which lets you cook continuously at low power settings for accurate results. It helps your favorite foods maintain those essential vitamins and nutrients for optimal taste. Say you want to thaw steaks. With normal thawing, the meat can take hours to reach the correct temperature, leaving your food puddled in liquid and lost nutrients. For our steaks, we'll select from the Inverter menu and choose Defrost. The oven's Inverter technology creates precise temperature control, which means even and fast de-thawing with a constant cooking stream at a low heat. Your food only takes minutes to reach the proper temperature. With superior thawing, your food retains those important nutrients for that amazing taste everyone will love. Another great feature with this microwave is the sensor cook function, which automatically adjusts cooking time for optimal results. Select from the pre-programmed menu to easily cook healthy sides such as fresh broccoli. The microwave oven with Inverter by Toshiba. Make cooking easier and better.